Are we ready? It's Bitcoin time.
Hello and welcome to the 7th episode of the Luno RoundUp. We're going to mix things up today with a whole host of hosts. I hope you enjoy.
Hello guys, my name is Katsu. Let's jump into it. As the final season of Game of Thrones approaches, it seems there may not be enough space for two winters. Crypto enthusiasts have been rejoicing at the fact that the crypto winter could finally be behind us. While we're unable to speculate whether or not that's the case, the facts indicate that the price of Bitcoin surged over $5,000 last week. What caused the surge? Our CEO Marcus weighed in with the Financial Times. Although he didn't rule out the possibility that it was sparked by the April Fool's announcement where the SEC approved Bitcoin ETFs, he added that it's more likely that one large investor, perhaps institutional, might have bought a significant amount of crypto for his portfolio. This may have triggered a knock-on effect for the market. Next up, PayPal has made its first ever investment in a blockchain company called Cambridge Blockchain, a startup focused on helping financial institutions and other companies manage sensitive data using a shared ledger. Last of hot topics, if you've been following the Quadriga CX story from our previous episodes, there seems to be another development. The Canadian Supreme Court has just approved the application for bankruptcy.
Hey guys, my name is Vijay and I lead business development at Luno. I'm based in Singapore and this week I'm visiting our London office. Next up, it's regulation time. In the US, the SEC's Strategic Hub for Innovation and Financial Technology has come up with a framework aimed at assisting market participants to analyze whether certain activity in relation to digital assets falls within the scope of existing securities laws. The framework encourages entities that are looking to buy, sell, store digital assets or provide other kinds of services to work through the guidance, but made it quite clear that the framework is not a law or rule from the SEC. As always, we'll keep a close watch in the space. It's time for Ask Luno. And this week, Tim asks, does Luno have an OTC desk? Let's start by understanding what OTC trading is. It's a service preferred by high-volume buyers that is facilitated by something called an OTC desk or a broker. It involves high-value transactions and in cases where an exchange can't satisfy that order. So let's say I am a buyer and I want to buy $100 million worth of Bitcoin. That's a large amount. So in this case, I go to an OTC desk that facilitates this trade between me and a counterparty away from an exchange. Because if you run that order through an exchange, it might cause massive spikes in the price. Luno has tried OTC trading before to much success, but it's not a service we currently offer. We're actually in the process of building out our business product, and it is something we might add as part of the business product. We constantly keep listening to our users and talking to customers and want to always build functionality that's useful to them. So if you're interested, keep up to date on our blog and social media to hear more about our business product offering. That's it from me, thank you.
Okay, thanks so much guys, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed the show. Remember, like, comment, subscribe. You can follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and remember, as always, #to the moon.